Hello, teacher. Good night, teacher. My name is Jose Domingo Ierte Vides. God willing, I will turn on August 16, 2020 for my younger sister birthday. I will visit the municipality of Nechi in Antioch. I will stay at home with my mom. On this trip, I will sister, my mom, brother, I others relative. I will bring my sister. Um, I will for being her happy day, her birthday. Uh, we will train parade, fun dry, and we will remember family moments. I have budget for the activity uh, to spend $1 million of course the big memory I will bring on me becomes is June with my family and why not all the detail that my mother with by me 1 year visit year by teacher.